Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are here in Ocean City, Maryland at the Dunes Manor Hotel. This is a room with two double beds, ocean front room. We were actually supposed to stay at the Dunes Court, which is the other separate building located on 30th Street that's owned by the Dunes Manor Hotel, but they got overbooked and we got put in this building and we got a oceanfront room, so we got upgraded. So what it costs to stay here, it costs I think over $300 a night. June 19th cruise weekend here in Ocean City, so prices are jacked up, and I normally booked a room at the Dunes Court for 112, and it was like 278 or something, 260, and they were booked and they put us in this over $300 a night room for 260 because we were supposed to stay at the other building. So pretty sweet upgrade, already good deal. So, and I booked that on Expedia, by the way. So we got the oceanfront view, got a restaurant here, we got the boardwalk right there, balcony, chairs, table, beds look clean. See? Yep. Alright. Oh, bed's really stiff and firm. Got a P-tack. Digital thermostat. 2 windows let the ocean air in. Table, chairs. Carpet looks a little bit old, worn. Outlets. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Clock, nightstand, older looking furniture, nice size Samsung TV. Got our closet. Just checked in. Security. Deadbolts. Go to security department. Bathroom is occupied as usual. Older building, you can tell from the ceiling. Everything seems to be in good shape. You got this with. Anyway guys, I'm finishing this video here at the Dunes Manor Hotel. Here's what it looks like and the ocean looks like. You got the boardwalk right there at the beginning. So the room could probably maybe use some new carpet, maybe some new updated furnishings, stuff like that. But a little look at that. This place does have a heated indoor pool, so yeah, they upgrade me in this part of the hotel, and I'm not complaining for $260 off Expedia. I'm supposed to be in a Dunes Court Tower, the Dunes Court building. Overbooked, put me in here. Still. And this was over $300 a night, so per night, and they upgraded us. I'm happy with it. Nice property. So you're here in Ocean City, Dunes Manor Hotel could be your place. There's a outside bar, but just want to get here, finish the videos the next day. I will say the bed is not that impressive though. The sheets kind of feel like paper. They're not like high quality. Maybe I'm spoiled. I stayed at Sheraton 2 nights before coming here. The bed's really firm. Could be a little bit softer, but same with the pillows. But that's just my opinion. So one more pan in the room. Sorry for the mess. So overall, solid option in Ocean City. Nice and clean, nice staff. So if you're going to be close to the boardwalk and you don't want to be on the boardwalk, there you go. The boardwalk is right there. So if you guys like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.